Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can manage the permissions of any file or folder that you have shared previously using the Google Drive. So if you want to manage the permissions, first you will need to open your Google Drive either using the desktop application or using any web browser of your choice. So once your Google Drive folder is open and you are in the home tab, you can simply click on this My Drive button on the left hand side to better access your file or folder. So I have previously shared this new folder with someone else and they have currently the editor permissions with them. So let's see how to access them again. Simply click on these three vertical dots right here, and from here hover your cursor over to the share button. Then click on this share button right here. And here you can see that I have previously shared this folder with this email address right here, and they have the permissions of an editor. So to change this permission and you don't want this person to edit these folder, simply click on this drop down arrow right here, and from here you can see this other options like you can make them a viewer or you can make them a commenter, so they will be able to just view and comment on any of the contents of this folder. So for example, I will choose to demote them to a viewer, so I can simply click on this viewer and all I need to do is click on this save button right here. So once I click on the save, the person will now be only able to view this folder and not able to change anything. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.